So back in 2018, when I did this, I got kind of bored with Inktober because I was just drawing random drawings that were kind of unrelated to each other. Sometimes I would follow a prompt, but at the end of the day, it's just one drawing a day, and I got kind of bored of that. So that year, I decided, why not try and tell a story over the course of 31 days. And so I came up with this story and this world. It's a fantasy story, which is something that I don't really do that often, but this is called the Hunt for the Lost Owl. So what the Hunt of the Lost Owl essentially is about is the statue here, and that's the statue of the Lost Owl. And the idea is that it's hidden somewhere in the world, and the person who finds it gets to have its wish granted, whatever it may be. And so this whole entire series is just a collection of drawings of the various people and treasure hunters that are looking to find the lost owl, and they have different reasons why, and we'll get into that. Okay, let's get started. Day 1. The statue of the lost owl has been the object of desire for many. Hidden somewhere in the world, it has been said to grant great power to the one who finds it. Day 2. Clyde and Clint, the most notorious robbers this side of the Worm Woods. They don't do it for the riches, just the thrills. Although the sight of gold doesn't hurt. Day 3. The Bone King with his measly kingdom of 6 seeks to use the magical powers of the lost owl to raise the dead and build his army. Day 4. Grand Wizard Taharis seeks the magical powers of the lost owl. I wonder why. Day 5. Kana, Arthur, and the trusty hound Lancelot have only begun their adventuring days. They don't really expect to find the lost owl, but maybe they'll make some friends along the way. Day 6. Griffin riders believe that the owl is hidden somewhere in the Skylands. Birds are sacred creatures to them, and the owl is at the apex of their beliefs. Day 7. The Wedding Night. The gentle giant always carries with him the remains of his wife in the hopes that the lost owl will bring her back. God, that's a sad one. Day 8. The pumpkin folk are a jolly bunch, but don't let their grins fool you. After you pass out, they'll put a pumpkin over your head and turn you into one of them. They want to put one on the lost owl's head too. Day 9. Every blue moon, the dwarves choose one of their own to be the keeper of the anvil. Their eternal quest is to find the lost owl and melt it down. Day 10. The wanderer travels by night, searching for the lost owl in the shadowy crevices of the realm. Ooh, spooky. Day 11. Fallen knight once noble, may you restore your honor in your quest for the lost owl. Day 12. When Murphy started growing too big for the orphanage, Oliver was forced to choose between the safety of the shelter or his best friend. Maybe the lost owl can help him find a home. Day 13. Any self-respecting alchemist would tell you that their goal is to create the Sorcerer's Stone. Nathat is no different. He's such a nerd. Day 14. The elder leaves to seek the lost owl. The rivers have run dry and the cattle have died. He must find the lost owl to save his tribe. Day 15. Skobdag was there when the owl was forged. He was there when the wizard cast it into the abyss, and he was there when it fell into the wrong hands. Day 16. It is a great honor to be an explorer. Only the truly special ones are chosen to leave the herd to seek out the lost owl. Day 17. Not everyone is hunting for the lost owl the right way. You could always wait for someone else to find it and then kill them for it. Day 18. The Iron Bard has been having a hard time writing songs. Perhaps the lost owl could help him. It's always gotta be one Mac. It's always gotta be a Mac. Day 19. The prodigious Rothmar children have accepted the quest to bring back the lost owl. It would bring great honor to the family. Day 20. Beings from other realms seek the lost owl too. The star engraver is attracted to large sources of magic. Day 21. Blood for the blood gods! Day 22. The cat just wants a new toy. Day 23. Beware the spirits of the drowned, lest they pull you under. There is a void inside them, only one that the lost owl can fill. Day 24. The wandering merchant travels the realms, looking for trinkets to buy and sell. The lost owl is yet another artifact to add to his wares. Day 25. Burn, burn, burn everything! I wonder if the lost owl is flammable. Day 26. The people of his village think the Tinker Gnome is a bit of a weirdo, always locked up in his workshop. But one day, he left without a trace. Maybe he heard the call of the lost owl too. Day 27. Desire is a worldly trait. The monk does not want for anything. Day 28. Don't bother the growth tender. Some hear the call of the owl, but do not feel the need to chase it. Day 29. The mother of the cold must bring about a new ice age. The spell cannot be cast without the statue of the lost owl. Day 30. Owls have formed a symbiotic relationship with the vampire trees. They help the trees see and in return use them as their home. The vampire trees are a superstitious bunch. They believe that housing an owl will help them find their magical namesake. Day 31. When the Grand Wizard made the lost owl, he imbued it with a consciousness. Only a heart with the purest of intentions can gain the approval of the statue. And that's it, really. I had so much fun doing this. The sad thing is that I'm not doing Inktober this month because I'm just really busy with other stuff. So if you want to do an Inktober project, maybe try out something like this. I definitely recommend it. It's super fun. It's only 30 days, 31 days. It's not a big commitment, and you can explore stuff and try to flex those storytelling muscles a bit, you know? If you like the video, like it, comment, subscribe, you know what to do. Goodbye.